In this video, you'll learn how to add a credit card to the Binance application. By following these steps, you will successfully link your card, allowing you to make transactions easily within the app. Begin by navigating to the Binance application on your device. If you are not already logged into your account, enter your credentials to sign in. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open a menu, and from there, select the option labeled Payment Methods. This section will allow you to manage your payment options. Next, within the Payment Methods section, look for an option that states Add New Card. Selecting this will prompt you to enter your credit card information. Ensure that the card you wish to add supports online transactions, as not all cards are eligible. You may need to verify your identity during this process, especially if your card issuer requires additional security measures. Review the types of supported cards listed to confirm your card is compatible before proceeding. After selecting Add New Card, you will be prompted to enter your card details. This includes your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code located on the back of your card. If the application requests it confirm your billing address to ensure accuracy, it is crucial to carefully review all entered information before submitting it, as incorrect details can lead to, if prompted, complete any additional verification steps to secure your card addition. Once you've submitted your card information, the application will process your request. To confirm that your card has been successfully added, return to the Payment Methods section. Here, you should see your newly added card listed among your payment options. If available, consider performing a small test transaction to verify that everything is functioning correctly. Keep an eye out for any authorization messages that may appear during this process. If you encounter any issues, such as your card not appearing or a failure during verification, you may need to remove the card and try adding it again. If problems persist, it is advisable to contact Binance support for assistance. This ensures that your card is properly linked and ready for transactions within the application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.